Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Flightline Aviation here. We're back in Colmar in France today. We're showing you two beautiful Cessnas. We've got a really original Reims 172 and this beautifully restored 182Q to show you today. Whether you're a private pilot looking to buy an aircraft for cruising around, or whether you're a student pilot and you'd like to know the differences between these two aircrafts, I'm hoping this video will show you everything you need to know. Both of these aircraft are currently on the market with us at Flightline, and you can find the link in the description below. So as we know, the 172 and 182 are very similar looking. The 172 is a standard propeller, and the 182 of course has the variable prop with cowl flaps and is a little bit bigger as well. But of course, as we know, the 172 is the most popular aircraft ever produced, with 50,000 examples being produced. So this particular 172, it's a Reims 172, so it's an F172N model. It was produced in 1977. It's probably one of the lowest times available in Europe today. It's got 2,500 hours on the airframe, and the engine is the Lycoming 0320 engine and just under 1,700 hours since overhaul. This particular 182 is a 182Q. It has the 0470U engine. It gives the same 230 horsepower as the previous model, but it has a much higher compression, which gives you lower noise levels in the cabin and also a much better climb rate as well. This 182 has got the long range fuel tanks fitted. It's got 92 gallons, so at 2,000 feet and 75% power, you've got about 800 nautical miles range, or around 5.5 hours with your reserves as well. Of course, the 172 does have less fuel than the 182, but this one has the long range fuel tanks fitted. We're giving you 54 gallons. At 2,000 feet and 75% power, you'll get around 600 nautical miles range and about 5 hours with reserves. So the difference between the 172 and the 182, the 172 at around 8 gallons per hour, and the 182 will burn around 12 to 13 gallons per hour. So it all depends if you want to go a bit further for a bit longer, or if you want to save a bit more money and burn less fuel and go not quite as long. If you need a really good useful load, then the 182 is great for this. It's got a 1,100 pound useful load. This one's also been upgraded with vortex generators and an upgraded landing gear, meaning you can really get it in and out of really short strips, full up with full fuel. It will get in and out of it no problem at all. So the 182, as we mentioned, has got a useful load of around 1,100 pounds. The 172 has just under 900 pounds, so you can see the difference in weight between the two there as well. So the cabin on the 182 is actually 4 inches bigger than the 172, which doesn't sound like a lot, but when you sat inside and if you're quite tall, it's really good, lots of space. You can easily get 4 people in. This one in particular has also had all the leather and the carpets replaced, so it's in really, really nice condition. It's just been recently restored. So although this 172 is pretty original inside, as you can see with this retro seats, it's really, really nice condition. It's been so well looked after. I haven't seen a better interior on an aircraft of this age, but it does also then give you the opportunity for a bit of a blank canvas and change it if you'd like to as well. So the 182 has also had some really nice upgrades in the cabin too. We've got a couple of G5s on this side, on the P1 side. We've got the 650 GFC 500 autopilot, so it really gives you the ability to jump in, set your autopilot, and you can sit back and relax if you really want to. It's got a really great feature. It's quite an expensive upgrade, a carburetor ice detector, and with the engine monitor over here you can really keep a close eye on the engine, and of course, being a 182, it has the blue variable prop lever as well. So again, the panel is quite original, but everything works. Even the original autopilot down here is still working. It does have a couple of Garmin upgrades with the Garmin transponder, the 430 and the audio panel, but as you can see, it's all functioning really well and really nice condition. So in short, if you want to put your family in a bit more comfort and a bit more space, get there a bit faster with really high load, then the 182 is perfect for this. If you're on a little bit more of a budget and you want to just fly around at a lower cost, then the 172 is perfect for this. But both the 172 and 182 have both got the airframe that have really stood the test of time, so either could be a great option for you. And they're both for sale with Flightline Aviation, so please see the description below if you're interested, or in any other aircraft as well, then please get in touch. Thanks for watching the video. I really hope you've liked it. We'll see you on the next one, and don't forget to please like the video and subscribe to our channel.